What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will be comparing two popular budgeting tools, Tiller and YNAB. Tiller is an automated personal finance service that allows users to manage their finances in a spreadsheet that is automatically updated each day. On the other side, YNAB, or You Need a Budget, is a budgeting tool that helps you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Let's start with Tiller's top features. You can visualize and strategically tackle debt reduction using a clear roadmap. You can prioritize debts based on interest rates, balance amounts, or any other criteria important to you. The template makes it easy to monitor progress and stay motivated throughout the process. Tiller automates the importation of your banking transactions directly into your chosen spreadsheet application. No more manual entry. Now you have real-time visibility of every penny coming in and going out, allowing you to make informed decisions about your money management. Tiller empowers you to take charge of your spending habits. By categorizing expenses and tracking trends, you gain valuable insights into where your money goes. Armed with this knowledge, you can adjust your behavior accordingly and work towards achieving your financial goals. Tiller provides a variety of pre-built templates designed to suit different needs and preferences. Whether you prefer a minimalist approach or want something more detailed, there are options available to help you get started quickly without having to reinvent the wheel. Tiller enables you to look ahead at your financial future. By setting up projections and forecasts, you can anticipate potential challenges and opportunities before they arise. This foresight gives you the ability to plan effectively and adapt to changing circumstances. While Tiller offers numerous benefits, it's essential to acknowledge some limitations. Although Tiller offers significant value, it does require a monthly or yearly subscription fee to access its services. While this cost might seem reasonable compared to other premium financial tools, it could still present a barrier for some individuals who are working with limited funds. As Tiller relies on bank feeds to update your spreadsheets, the accuracy of the information provided by your financial institution plays a crucial role in ensuring reliable data. Occasionally, errors or delays in bank data transmission may result in inaccurate entries being imported into your Tiller spreadsheet. Despite Tiller's commitment to protecting user data, no online service can ever eliminate the risk of cyber attacks completely. Users should remain vigilant regarding phishing attempts and other malicious activities aimed at compromising sensitive account information. Now, let's talk about YNAB. Let's start with the pros. With YNAB, you can securely link your accounts and import transactions automatically. This means you don't have to spend hours manually entering your expenses, and you can see your up-to-date financial information all in one place. YNAB is available on your computer, phone, or tablet, and it updates automatically across all your devices. This means you can access your budget anytime, anywhere, even offline. YNAB allows you to share your subscription with up to 6 people, making it easy to manage money together with your partner, family, or other close-knit groups. And the best part, it's all for the price of a single subscription. YNAB's powerful target setting features help you prioritize your spending and saving goals. You can set goals for anything from paying off debt to saving for vacation and track your progress at a glance. YNAB's Loan Planner tool helps you demolish debt by calculating how much interest and time you'll save for every extra dollar you put toward debt. This means you can make informed decisions about how to pay off your debt and save money in the long run. Like any other tool, YNAB has its pros and cons. Here are some cons to consider. YNAB is not a free tool, and the cost may be a barrier for some people. However, many users find that the cost is worth it for the peace of mind and financial control that YNAB provides. YNAB has a bit of learning curve, and it may take some time to get used to the interface and budgeting methodology. However, YNAB provides plenty of resources and tutorials to help you get started. YNAB's focus on budgeting means that it may not have all the features you need for more complex financial management, such as investment tracking or tax planning. However, YNAB's simplicity is also one of its strengths, and it may be all you need to get your finances in order. And there you have it, a comparison of two popular budgeting tools, Tiller and YNAB. Both tools have their strengths and weaknesses, and ultimately, the best tool for you will depend on your personal preferences and budgeting needs. So there you have it, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.